Welcome to Howard Cycles, the home of quality bikes and cycle services in Norfolk. If you're after all the latest bicycles, cycling equipment, products and accessories available from all the leading manufacturers, you've come to the right place. We're an established family firm with over 15 years experience providing the right products for people who are new at cycling or seasoned enthusiasts. Helmets, seats, backpacks, gloves, clothing, lights, water bottles and more. Choose from a great range of top quality bikes, from kids and BMX bikes to top of the range road and mountain bikes. We also offer a unique servicing and repair service. Call Howard Cycles now to find out more.